get a real good view. I'm betting that the species will survive. Hold back, I'm getting inside you.